Okay, hello everyone. I'm going to teach you, this is Marvin. Today I'm going to teach you basic vowels. Vowels in Korean. So for example, let's say 안녕, which means hello in Korean. Oops, hello in Korean. So what is vowel here? A and ya is Korean. So if it was like alphabet, like English or other language, like Roman language, this is like an, no, might be 안녕, where the vowels are a and ya. So I said basic vowels. So what are the basic vowels, and is there any patterns that we can learn these vowels easily? And the answer is yes. And I'm going to teach you what those are. So first of all, please remember these three characters. First one is U, second one is E, and this is like dot that we're going to make like in Korean vowels. It's like combinations of these three. It's like, are you serious? Yes. So for example, let's say this is U, and if we put a dot on the bottom of U, bottom of U, then it is U. So U. And then if you put another dot on U, it will be U. So U, like adding one dots each. And from U, if you put a dot on the top of U, then it will be O. And what will be next? I think you imagine from these pictures, like if you add another dot on the O, then that will be yo. So U, O, U, U, O, yo. Next, let's say E. If you put a dot on the left, it's all. And if you put another dot on the left, then it will be ya. Ya. And now what I'm going to do is put a dot on the right. Should be a. And if you put another one, that will be ya. So E, U, U, E, O, yo, E, O, yo, E, A, ya. Because these are all the vowels that I want to teach you today, that I said which are basic. Because when you first learn Korean, what you do is a, ya, o, yo, u, yo, u, u, e. And then like there are some more vowels, but these are like the basic vowels. Like when I forget, like let's say even like a native like me, if I forget like what are all the vowels, then we kind of say aya, oyo, uyo, uyu, ui. And these basic vowels, as I said, are from these three characters, u, e, and a dot. And how we construct is like these patterns, and these patterns are related to the sounds. And so let me go over some vocabularies that is related to this. So let's say uyu, which is milk in Korean, uses this uyu, And let's say this is 고요, which means silent. That's like you may have seen on recent Netflix series, 고요의 바다, which is silent sea. This is 고요. And then let's say, think about let's think about let's say where this I mean this 음악 means music, like you listen to music a lot of time. 음악을 듣다, 음악, music, and this is 음악. And here this is ak. This is what we when we used when you said 안녕, this is and 음악 And let's think about e. E key. Let's say 길. Oops. 길. 길다. Let's say 길다, which is long. Oh, this is long. Let's say 길다. 이것이 길다. 길. Or let's say maybe like 길다 is long, or and 길 is say road. I think this would be better. 길. This is E. And maybe another letter would be a letter related to all would be 거리, which is street. 거리. Is E. And let's think about a word for 여행, which means 여행, which means travel. You know that we all want to go to travel. 여행, travel. 여행. Heng is like this. Just a spoiler for next video is this. Is it's like a combination of and e. E and 여행. Plus e. This is and e. E. Heng. We'll go over tomorrow. And ya is, for example, 야구, which means baseball. 야구. So I think, yeah, 여행, 야구, baseball. So we went over these basic vowels from the 3 characters. Out of 3 characters, we kind of constructed all of these basic vowels. And we went over some like vocabularies like that you'll probably go over in a very basic situation, in a very, I think in a very in a beginner class of Korean, I hope. And for the next video, what we're going to do is like a combination of these basic vowels. Like, when I said heng, 여행, I'm sorry, not this one. My bad. This and if I said heng, this or something like yeah, which means example, and something like we, or 워, one, or this is just like we, or 귀, which means ear, and some other like letters. Well, that's all for today, and I hope you review what we did. And I think it's just the first step is to practice speaking while you look at these, 오요, 우유, 어여, 아야, and then 아야, 어여, 오요, 우유, 의. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.